You need to install Microsoft Cloud Command Line or Centro 365 extension in your browser if you are a Microsoft Cloud administrator. With these two extensions, I'm certain that your life will be much more easier when navigating through the Microsoft portals. These are definitely must-have tools if you are working with Microsoft Cloud products like Azure, Entra ID, Office Admin Center, Exchange, SharePoint, etc. So in this video, I will show you how to install these two extensions and how to use them. The first extension we will install is the Microsoft Cloud Command Line. Let's open one of the browsers. You can use Edge, Chrome or Firefox. For this example, I will use Chrome. In the address bar, type cmd.ms and press enter. Now click on the check out the browser extensions. Choose the extension for your browser. In my case, this will be Chrome. So I will add the extension and then I will go to manage extensions. I have developer mode turned on, but it should install extension even if it's off. Click on the details and I will turn on the pin to toolbar and also allow this extension in incognito mode. So let's close the manage extensions portal and go back to the cmd.ms website and go to home, and here we can see all the commands that you can use when navigating through the Microsoft portals. So let's choose the Microsoft Entra, open the new tab in the browser and in the address bar type en.cmd.ms and hit enter. If you are not logged into the Microsoft account, it will ask you to do so before you will be able to navigate to the Entra ID portal. Okay, let's open another tab and try SharePoint. So for the SharePoint, the command would be sp.cmd.ms. When you will use the extension for the first time, you will need to put in the whole command. Let's open another one and I will show you what I mean. So let's go with the Power Automate. So let's open the new tab and let's type pa.cmd.ms. So the Power Automate portal was opened. Now let's close it. Open the tab again and let's type pa. And you can see it's already there, so you just press enter and you're in. So instead of using saved bookmarks links and searching the right link, you can use command line and navigate faster and easier. Okay, so let's go back to the cmd.ms website and check the Centro 365. We will install the same way as we did the Microsoft Cloud Command Line. The Centro 365 is similar to bookmarks, but it's nicer and you have all the links in one place. So let's click on the Centro 365 extension icon on the top right corner and navigate to 365 Admin Center and Active Users. Or if we want to go to Security Center, we click on the Azure portal and then find the Security Center. I use both extensions at my work and I found them extremely helpful. Okay, let's close all the tabs and go back to the cmd.ms and check the other useful links that you can find on the website. First one is MS Portals. Here you will find all the links you need about Microsoft Portals. If you are a beginner in IT, you might want to check the training tab where you will find useful Microsoft training and learning links. Next one is aka.ms commands. Some of you might be already using these commands. aka.ms commands are working the same way as cmd.ms. I personally prefer cmd.ms, and I also think you have way more Microsoft Portal links than you can find in the aka.ms commands. And the last one is msshells.net. If you are using the PowerShell to manage online Microsoft products, you need modules, and this is the perfect site. So let's say if you want to manage the Microsoft Teams with PowerShell, you can check this site to see what module you need and what is the command to install it, how to connect, the latest stable version, and so on. It's a very useful site. Okay, so that is all for today. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.